Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So first and foremost, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the description, and also join the mentorship program that is currently ongoing. We are offering it on the Patreon channel. It is for exclusive users only, so exclusive subscribers only. So if you would want to be among, you can subscribe right to the mentorship program currently going on in the Patreon channel. You will find a link to the Patreon channel in the description. Now, when you take a look at your GBP USD, right? Now take a look at the overall trend. The overall trend is on a downtrend. There's no doubt that market is literally dropping, right? The full bigger picture, market is literally dropping. But market is currently giving us a minor movement, which is trending to the upside. So we can see this to be our high and our higher low. This can also be seen as our higher high, and now this is the higher low, right? Our next movement on GBP USD should push up to it is able to give us a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So guys, our targets, our movements on GBP USD for the day should be giving us a bullish move. Now, guys, I want you to guys to have it in mind that you should make your analysis flexible, right? Market should always be flexible, not rigid. So if in case market drops and it completely give us a coach, thereby taking out this low here, then we are going to change our prediction from an uptrend to now a downtrend. So if market can drop and break below this low right here, then have it in mind that market will continue to sell, market will continue to drop. But if market fails to break below this low, the market will most likely push up. So make it very flexible and stay updated. More updates on this will be dropped for you guys. So subscribe in order for not to miss out on the updates.